To copy your wallet address on the Atok app, you'll first need to have an Atok account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page, located at the bottom left. At the top of the page, just under the logo, you'll see your Atok balance, along with a Manage button next to it. Clicking on this button will allow you to view your wallet address. Specifically, you'll want to click on the Receive option, which is situated in the middle of the screen. This will display your QR code, as well as your actual wallet address, which is located just below the QR code. The wallet address is a code that enables you to receive tokens from other Web3 wallet addresses, such as those found on Binance, Coinbase, Phantom, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask. If someone is sending a token to you from a different Atok account, you'll want to use the address listed at the bottom of the page, which says, share the address to receive a token from another account. To copy this address, simply click the Copy button located at the far right. Your wallet address will then be copied, and you can use it as needed.